Hello everyone, Phil Pravda here, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com, and guess what? I have another unboxing of some amazing shoes, and I believe these are the summer drivers. But we're gonna open this box, check it out right now. Okay everyone, welcome back, and here we have a box, one pair of shoes in this box, not open. I have not seen them myself just yet. I'm gonna get my scissors right here, and I'm gonna open this box. I believe they are suede drivers in a custom color, because remember, on the website, you can customize colors and materials of any of the shoes that are there. And oh, let me tell you one more thing. You could find me on TikTok at Dr. Suit. I mean, I've been on TikTok for a long time, but I never really used it that much, but now I've been walking around Manhattan showing you different scenes and giving commentary on retail stores and what's open, what's closed, what used to be, what is now. So I think they're pretty interesting, so you might want to check that out on TikTok at Dr. Suit. You could find me there. Okay, so let's get this open. Here we go. We got the box. Hopefully you can hear me okay. And here we go. We see this is going to be a size 11 driver. And actually, I do remember what we did with these drivers. These are custom done for somebody's wedding. These are the colors of the wedding. So we made the shoes the same color as the theme of the wedding. So it should be quite interesting. And let's see, we should have some bags in here. Here we go. Let's see, we'll do the little smell test. Ooh, that new leather. Smells good. New leather smell. And we're gonna have to take out one shoe here, but here we go. All right, here we go. The unboxing of the shoes, like we always do. Holding it up, and let's see what we have. Very slowly. Wow, look at that. That is unreal. Look at this. This is like Miami. Miami blue. I call this Miami blue. These are just gorgeous. Drivers. They come with a little stick inside to hold the shape while they're shipping because they're very, very soft, but I could take the little stick out. Okay, so let's check these out. We'll hold them close to the camera. We have Miami blue and like a mustard yellow trim. And then we have the little gommies on the bottom. So the little dots on the bottom that you walk on, and of course on the heel. That's why they call them a driver, because you have those on the heel right there. Because when you're driving your car and you're doing the heel toe, you got grip right there on the heel. So let's get these really close so you can see them. Look at that, the Miami blue and the mustard yellow. You could take a look like there, like that way. We'll show you from the front, show you from the other side, and look how nicely they're all hand sewn with the contrasting stitching. And of course the bottom, you have the bottoms just like that, very soft, and of course 100% suede, very flexible. So when you wear these, of course you wear them barefoot. You don't wear socks with drivers. You put your foot in, no socks, and you wear them barefoot with shorts, with linen, with jeans, with pants. You wear them with everything all summer long. You wear them like that, and they're really, really, really beautiful. I mean, really beautiful. And I love them. And you can make them in red and black and navy, all color combinations we have, because we have all kinds of colors of suede. Pink suede, there's bright green, this is yellow and bright yellow and navy blue and black and white suede. White suede is rare. And you could change the color of the stitching. Also, you could even change the color of the rubber dots on the bottom. You could change all those things when it comes to the custom-made drivers. And you could find them right here. We also got some cool sneakers. If you look here on the website, we got some really cool summer sneakers that you could buy as is, or you can change any way you want right on the website. So I hope you like, oh look, the yellow stitching. This is all yellow stitching, by the way. Yellow stitching on top, yellow stitching on the bottom, you know, to match the yellow suede. Really beautiful. These are actually not going to Miami. They are going to, if I remember correctly, these are going to California. So someone getting married in California, going to be wearing these drivers. I'm not sure what suit they're wearing, but these are the colors of the wedding that we matched up for them for their wedding. So hope you like this. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. Lots more unboxings. We just got a box of shirts. We've never done an unboxing for shirts, and I think we'll do one. We just got some shirts in, and lots more coming for clothing as well. We did some unboxing of new linen suits and jackets. I hope you like those. Those were requested in the comments, and I went ahead and I did those for you guys. Hope you like them. So look, stay tuned for more things, and I'll see you all when I'm back at it.